John Gann JQ2500 Jump Starter. Let's open it up, show you what you get inside the box. We all get instructions. We need to read up on it just a little bit. Pulling out the actual unit, nicely packed in the box. And you get, here are the accessories. We have a USB charging cable, another USB C to C cable, the 12 volt to DIN cable, and your battery boost alligator clips that you're going to plug into the Jump Start. This is not just your Jump Start. It's for 8.0 liter, diesel 6.0 liter, and so forth. I am going to now charge my unit up because if we turn it on, it's got some nice letterings. You see everything lit up, and it tells you the amount of power this unit has. I'm going to grab my own cable and I'm going to plug it up, and you can see the light indicator going from this side to this side, my right to my left, charging. While this unit is charging, go over the instructions, read them, because it's going to give you some information that this is a ohms meter to check the voltage by doing a short press on the on and off button to display how much voltage your battery may or may not have. The product overview, you have an LED light. It powers with the USB-C output input of 100 watts maximum. DC input of 60 watt maximum, USB-A output of 18 watts maximum. You have a red light, an abnormal alarm indicator, a green light that flashes during emergency start, and a light keeps on during forced start. You have a power on, wake on button, and jump start output. We have a light that's over 400 lumens. And we're going to press on the light. It's a long press. As you can see, it lights up. You have a red light, that rapid flash. And you have, again, an SOS light in red. And then the off. If you long press for the on and have the light on, if you long press, the light will go off. My car may or may not start. And I got this jumper start kit. And we're going to see what we can do to get this started. Let's hit the start button. See if we can listen to it to start. Dead as a doornail, right? No power whatsoever. I hook up my leads. I make sure I hook this up correctly, the flat end and the round end. And I hook this up, nice wide clips. Turn it on. Short press for voltage. 13.7. Look at that. Oh man, am I down on voltage. Man, that kicked right over. Isn't that amazing? This is very easy to set up and use. Did a great job. Started up on the first try. I'm going to take off my connectors. I'm going to unplug and shut down my unit. I now have something that I can charge my car up the next time I need to. Don't get stuck. Have one of these power banks with you and you do mighty fine. If you need extra power, like a power bank to show you that this does power up the unit, you could charge your phone, your accessories, what you have with you. So don't get stranded on the road without power. That's why power banks are great to have. I hope this product is something that you're looking for to get your car boosted, to boost up things that you have around the house, etc., etc. Imagine on an emergency that you need to have some power to run things. These boosters are great for that. I hope you enjoy your product if this is right for you.